All right. So the economic activity map. So before we get into this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read and then I'm going to share some information. All right. So an economic activity map shows, I'll make that correction. Always need to be grammatically correct. An economic activity map shows how countries use their resources to produce goods and services. All right, so the first question, where is most of the manufacturing taking place in China? Second question, what is the main economic activity in Western China? All right, first thing I want to call to your attention is the fact that there is a key, okay? And because there's a key, what you should do immediately is you should pay some attention to what is actually in the key. How can this key help you answer those questions? Okay? It's basically what you should do. Now, we have learned already today and in the past where north, south, east, and west is located. Okay, so that goes back to this question right here because it's asking about Western China. All right, what is the main economic activity in Western China? So, where do you suppose you will find the economic activity of Western China? What type of map is this? It's an economic activity map. So, therefore, the key will give you information on the different kinds or types of economic activity that's occurring within China. All right. So all you have to do is just look at the map of China, figure out where north, south, east, and west is located, and what is the main economic activity of China. Likewise, but in the opposite fashion, what you're attempting to do with the first question, you already have what the economic activity is, and that's manufacturing. All you now have to do is figure out where manufacturing is taking place in China. What I want you to do now is in your Google Doc, the Google Doc that you have already shared with me, what I want you to do is I want you to write these answers down. These are not FRQ questions. I just need to know whether or not you know these answers. Okay? We'll figure out the FRQ part a little later. Just be able to tell me whether or not you know the answers to these two questions. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. You have my email address.